Welcome to my video. What am I doing? I am fixing the windows on my sailboat. I've already completed the first part of the repair, which included removing all of the old adhesive from the frame, cleaning the window, and then putting it back onto the boat. Then I sealed it from the outside, and I used a bunch of Dowsil for that. I'm using some placer dowels on the outside, and as you can see here, I'm using some creatively placed pieces of wood, towels, suction cups, bungee cords, and PVC pipe to create positive pressure on the window as I continue to work on it. This is the last part. I'm adding Dowsil 795 to the inside part of the frame to create an additional adhesive layer. Always wear gloves for this and make sure your inside is properly ventilated. Once I was done, I left the suction cups and the poles up for an entire week to make sure it was perfect. First window I repaired in 2022 and it is still perfect. See you out there.